Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Indian Cuisine at Home. This is my first intro video, so I'm quite nervous. But on this YouTube channel, I will be teaching you about how to make Indian dishes at home. We all love Indian food. It's among the best food all over the world. And so many people go to Indian restaurants just to order the food. And they always wonder how do restaurants make such an amazing food. But let me tell you this. Indian food is very easy to make. I will teach you how to make the Indian food at home. I will also tell you about all the spices you will ever need. I will tell you about the mandatory spices, but I will mention about all the base spices which are required to make any Indian dish. We will start every video with all the base ingredients which are required, and I will also dedicate some videos specially on the Indian spices. We will also talk about the utensils which may be required to make the Indian food. All the ingredients will be either bought from Walmart, Costco, Freshco or Save On Foods. We might need to visit some Indian stores as well, but I will try to keep it as simple as possible. My next video will be about the spices. I will tell you about the base spices which are required and all the optional spices which you can keep at home. So if you are ready to make some amazing dishes at home, please join me with this channel and we both will work together in this journey. Goodbye for now. Cheers.